Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, and I'm off on a kayaking mission today. I'm heading out to one of my favourite spots to practice my mindfulness. Hoa ke tātou.
Let's go! Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Woo!
Ka rawe, anei ngā kōreti. Oh, these are our kayaks. I'm going to go in this one because it's the fastest. All I have to do now is carry the kayak all the way down there to the launch spot of the estuary. Let's do it. Now, for my checklist. Okay. Kōreti. Check. Hoi. Check. Ha ki te whakaora. Check. Yep. Very important. Pani ārai rā. Where are you, pani ārai rā? Check. Pōtai. Where's my pōtai? Oh, it's on my head already. Check. Phone. I'm going to put my phone into this plastic bag to keep it waterproof. You never know, I might need to call someone if I'm in trouble. Just like that, I can go in there. Hi. All right. Oh, I almost forgot. If you're going kayaking, you need to make sure you tell an adult where you're going. And if you are an adult, like me, you should still tell someone where you're going. Dad! Dad! Dad!
Buzz! Buzz!
I'm going kayaking!
Readers!
Oh, gotta make sure I put my life jacket on properly. I won't be long!
Have you got your life jacket?
Yep!
A rope?
Yes!
A hat?
Yep!
Got your kayak?
Yes, Dad!
Have you told someone where you're going?
I'm telling you!
Okay then. Did you do a karakia?
I'm about to!
Okay. Up the wires.
Up the was. Uri rangaranga ki te uru, haurangaranga ki te tonga. Ka puta te hauranga whenua, tapatapa uru ana te kakau. Ko wai koe, ko moko pū tangaroa. Hui e, tae ki e. Ka rawe, let's go kayaking. See how far we can get, eh? Wake! Me haro. I love kayaking on the awa. Oh, and I'm really fast at kayaking as well. Check this out. Prepare! Te roa tori timata! Go, Buzz! Go, Buzz! Take it in! Take it in! It's working! It's working! Breathe. Breathe. Recover. Rawe. This is my favourite place to come and practice my mindfulness. Mindfulness is paying attention to what you are doing and how you are feeling in the moment. I love being in the moment. Look at this place. It's beautiful. This awa leads all the way from Kaingaroa out to the Rangaunu Harbour.
This place is so beautiful.
Miharo, these rākau are called mangroves. Mangroves are all over the world. But these ones, they're special. They are called manawa. They're native to Aotearoa. Manawa are amazing because they filter the wai and create a beautiful habitat for our manu, our ika, our punga were were, and all the whānau in the insect world. Hey, want to know something cool? Sometimes, if you're lucky, you can spot some honu, turtles, or some aihe, dolphins, in the harbour. Oh, hey, I want to be an aihe. No, I want to be a honu. Honu. Hey, we're almost at my wahi maurito, my mindfulness spot. Oake. Ka rawe, no mai haere mai. Welcome to the mindfulness hut. That's better. This is my favourite spot to come and whakarongo ki te taiao. It helps me to feel calm when I tune into nature. I practice my mindfulness by sitting down like this. And then I listen for something. Oh, I can hear a manu. Then I find something I can see. I can see the manawa. Oh, and then what can I smell? I can smell the salt in the awa. Then I feel for something I can touch. Oh, I can feel the rākau beneath me. Then, last but not least, I tune into te mauri o te taiao, the essence and energy of the natural world. Oi, what's that? Don't worry, Awa, I will save you. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I've got it!